Alright, me and Carley brought TRX4 Sport out here to Johnson's Ridge Trail. Little path that's 2 mile round, but I've been wanting to check out this bluff up here, so I've been up here kind of moving stuff around with my feet and kind of moving some dead limbs out of the way and stuff. But we're going to go up here, right up this trail here, and we're going to check out Johnson's Ridge Trail on the ridge part of it, going up to the ridge part of it. It's going to be quite an adventure. Johnson's Ridge Trail. Yes, wilderness crawl. That's what we're at. That's what we're going to do. Let's do this. This Johnson's Ridge loop. We're going to go to the left here and see where I've knocked some leaves out of the way. Get up there about there. Here we go. See the leaves are gathering up underneath the truck. I wanted to make sure I had a pretty clean run on this new area that I discovered. I think we're going to have a good time. I'm hoping you can see this up through here. There's all kinds of happy challenges and things. Yeah, we're going to have some fun crawling up through here. These leaves and things, a little bit undergrowth. Yeah. This little trail's got some potential. all over me. Yeah, good old Woodland trail here. Bit of a thorn crawl. Yeah, that's had some leaves in it. More leaves and turf. Leading the way there, Carley. If you can't crawl it, whack it, right? There, take a look over here. We'll be able to take the bite of hold there. Nothing but going off the edge. Fish out through there. Yes. Got a little hole right here that we gotta go through. Make that spin, yeah. Anyway, we're getting closer to the ridge. There's a jump off right there on the foot. Trees down everywhere. Anyways, this is part of the ridge right up through here. A little bit of cleaning up. This place would be an immaculate crawling spot. Kind of puts you in mind of Panther Creek State Park and all that rock there. But this is pretty nice. I think a little bit of raking and a little bit of picking up. This will make a heck of a crawling area. Thanks for watching. Hey, y'all peace out. Having fun, laughing, playing, and RCing. Like I said, we're here at Johnson's Ridge Trail. We've created us a little trail up through here in the fall leaves. Had some fun crawling. We're going to cut this video off. Hey, like and subscribe. I appreciate your support on my channel. Keep watching. We'll make as many videos as we can, post them when we can. Stay safe and play healthy.